everyone, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm a fox on Build a Boat for Treasure. I can't go live sadly because it just won't let me. Even though I went live for a little bit, like a few minutes maybe. Right now I'm just building my boat. Yeah, this is for all of my foxes, like for all of my fox friends. If anyone has a fox or animal on here, they can hop on the boat or hop in it, and then we cruise. I don't, tell me in the comments, because well, sometimes the wheels don't work, which I don't know why. Yes, perfect. Perfect. This might be a little bit too blue, but who minds? Not me. If you guys think it's too blue, tell me in the comments, because I can always change up the colour, you know. And to be honest, I'm not that good of a YouTuber. I'm still training to be better. One team blue, painting my vehicle blue. This is for team blue, and I'm a fox. That's favourite colour is blue, so like and subscribe if your favourite colour is blue. Or please tell me what your favourite colour is, because my one is blue. A little bit too close. Yeah, perfect. And yes, I've made it to the end 90 times. Not to flex, which I don't think no one even plays this game anymore. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if and when I'm able to go live, I might be playing this Build a Boat. So when I'm able to go live, you all might be able to join me on Build a Boat for Treasure. Well, that's if you add me. But I'm on Xbox, so a little bit of a seesaw. I'm hoping this actually helped me get to the end. This is for all of my fox friends. Obviously, can't leave them hanging out of the vehicle. Let me just activate my lights. And if this ain't good enough, I'm gonna put then me then we can see everything. Yeah, up we go, up we go, up we go. Okay, and then I just want to get on the camera thing on. Yeah, so if you have any cameras, like this one's probably the best for it. You can just do it like that. Hello, hello. I'm here. Nice. I've been eating some lemon cake. Yeah, I've got a little door. I'm gonna save it and then do some upgrades. This is my dad's. No, hi. Foxes. Foxes only. Save. Okay, maybe if I put a sign beside saying foxes only. What if I say, is it visible? No, so let's try that. Yeah. But obviously my fox brothers need to be able to read it. So I'm going to say fox is only. Yeah. Let me just save it real quick. Foxes only. Save, yes. Then yeah. If the wheels don't work, then if I jump, yeah, so if I sit here, yep, and then yeah. Please tell me that my door, good, my door won't open like that. Okay, launch it. Yeah, I think the springs might be a little bit too much. And also, yeah, I've lost the wheel. So yeah. Even though it sort of works, I'm gonna oof. Boom. Hello everyone. Thanks for waiting. I've got the paintbrush tool. I might have bought like 3,000 gold on here once before. Well, not on it at the same time, obviously. But it was that wheel. I don't want to lose nothing. So, and also can't forget it's Fox's only. Please tell me that I won't lose to this. Don't mind the colour, I will paint it blue. Perfect. I am blue team. I am on blue team. Yes, I am. Oh, yes, I am. Oh no, I forgot. Please hold on tight. And please wait my few seconds. Let me just do a little bit magic. Let's see if anyone tries to scam me soon. I'm just going, I'm no scammer, and also I don't look for scammers, that's for scammer duty. And I'm not a scammer duty person. I'm not being mean or nothing, but why are the scammers? Literally, there's hardly any way to get Robux. No. Whee! Oh my, yeah, T-Bucks, let's go! Fox's only vehicle. I'm gonna park it on a random team. Yeah, boy. Purple team's close to blue, ain't it? He must. I take him on the field trip. Yee. No. I want him out of my vehicle. What? Whoa. Let me out. I wanna look at this. No. I'm a human. Yes, I am a human. There is. No bullies on this one. No bullies on this thing. And also I have to become a fox center, otherwise I can hardly see anything. Oh yeah, I've been doing some things off camera, like this one. Military Tycoon. it's got sound effects, which I think is pretty good and cool. But wait until you see the best part. Oh yeah, I just remember it didn't save. Psych! It saves. And look, I've got my money. It makes me money. Let's just jump to the good part. Ooh. Inventory. Okay. Just do a little bit of magic. Minigun. Gun. Sniper. Nuke. Or bomb. It's not really a nuke. Let me just grab this 200p and there. Oh yeah, I just remembered that I've got vehicles waiting for me up here on red team, which I don't really like, but who minds? Not me. Whoa! Yeah, he just bombed me. Not in a bad way, but I did not like that. Ooh, see nani, so see nani. If YouTube is watching this, I wanna go live, and also I wanna be famous like everyone else. Please share my video, because I do not like this. I like this game, just not as much as I like the best. You guys are the best. No lies. Woo! Speed coil. Yeah. Or this one. Is this one good? Does this look good on me? Yeah, I like this one more. Yeah. I guess this one's okay. And also looks a little bit more matching. I've got this one. I've either got the big one or the small one. The big one's a little bit too big, but it's got a better weapon system. Whee! Team red. One KO. Do I level up? No. Another KO. Yes, sir. trying to get this kid. Let's go. Let me just land. Whoa. Whoa. She's getting angry. 1 KO. Whoa. Coming down. No. Ooh, that was a close one. Let me just park behind someone's face. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe if I just go behind someone's face, maybe that might be a little bit more safer. If I'm going in front of someone's face, like up here might actually be safer. No. Whoa. I'm gonna have to go up high. Okay. Oh, whoops. If you guys have been like that for ages, I'm so sorry. If you guys weren't able to see it. Ooh. But I don't know how it is so far. Okay. Whoa, we're coming in, boy. We're going in. Whoa, no. No, my vehicle's gonna crash. No. No. I'm not done today. No. Oh. I died. Oh. I guess maybe if I would have been playing with stages a lot more. Yeah. What? Come on. That is silly me. Why do I keep falling for it? Oh no, I'm so sorry. Like, how? If people bought rubber, yeah, which is possible, how would they even get in? Like, you can't even reach the button properly. Oh, yes you can. Just silly me. Get that. By that. Then that. Then that. And then that. And then that. And then that. Oh, good thing I didn't have to do all that sorting. But guys, listen to me. If I went into a private server and then invited all of you guys while I was going live, what would happen? Because we could all have a massive fight while you guys are watching me, and then because don't people like being on videos sometimes? Whoa! Whoops! That's my fault. Yeah, I might be a little bit stuck. Not anymore, but I was. My fault. What? No. Okay, I'm safe. I'm safe from the danger. The danger can't hurt me. Oh. Because I am the danger. Danger can't hurt you if you are the danger, right? Let me find my remote. And then just go with my little car, spaceship. And then go pew. Oh no. Next time maybe I should have been a little bit more smarter. Wait, let me have a look. It's my friend. I'm gonna stop this. Bye everyone, like and subscribe.